This little braided half up, half down has been my go-to hairstyle, so let me show you how to do it. Indicator that your conditioner is doing its job is when you step out of the shower, before you put any products in, you're able to brush through without any knots. Setting up the perfect foundation for a flawless hairstyle. Not too long ago, I was in Paris testing out an entirely new curly hair routine. If you know how scary that is. But I put my faith in Prose haircare, and my curls looked so good afterwards that I've been hooked ever since. Once you put in the leave-in conditioner, you're gonna go ahead and section your hair as if you're doing a half up, half down. After I finish braiding it, I wrap it in a little bun and secure it with a hair tie. I already went in and used my leave-in conditioner, so step 2 is using my custom curl cream. And if you have curly hair, you probably suffer from frizz like I do. So when creating my custom formula, frizz was one of the key factors that I wanted to help eliminate. And if you saw my hair in Paris, there was no frizz to be found. Now that that's in, we're gonna go in with a little bit of my styling gel. Because all of these formulas are custom made for you, if you move or something happens, you literally go on the website, you input your new factors, and a new routine is made for you. Let's just say for whatever reason it doesn't work, or there's something that you don't like about it, and these are all things that I learned in Paris that I thought were so cool. You can constantly adjust your formulas to make sure that they become perfect for you, using AI for good. The Prose box says that it is custom made for you. It is custom made for you down to a T. And last but not least, just because curly hair is so sensitive, I always like adding a little bit of oil as a finishing step. And as simple as that hair tutorial was, that's how simple my hair care routine is, thanks to Prose.